reviewing the Yoga Burn program by Zoe Bray-Cotton. Yoga Burn is a fitness program customized to help women achieve their health goals. Yoga Burn promises to show you how to use yoga to manage your weight, boost immunity, and tone your body. We'll be checking out if Yoga Burn lives up to its expectations, the purchasing process, how the program is designed, the user experience, and what stands out. Click on the buttons on either side to be taken to our in-depth review of this program or to visit official Yoga Burn website. Let's get started. Purchasing process. Purchasing the Yoga Burn program is an extremely simple process. You can use a credit card or PayPal account and complete the purchase through ClickBank's secure payment processors. After your payment goes through, you'll get a confirmation email that includes your receipt. You have 60 days to decide if you want a refund or not. After you buy the Yoga Burn program, you'll get an email with instructions on how to access the program. Make sure you save this email for convenient access to the Yoga Burn program. Product design. The Yoga Burn is separated into 3 different phases. The program is designed to show results by forcing you to master each phase before moving on. You actually won't even be able to complete phases 2 and 3 without mastering them in order because the difficulty increases so much. Each phase strategically strengthens your body and increases flexibility, which contributes to your overall health. The main way information is delivered in this program is by video or PDF document. Each phase has 4 videos that you need to master before moving on to the next. The main Yoga Burn program also includes 4 bonus yoga videos with additional exercises and techniques you can use. You can click on the box on the side to check out our in-depth review of the Yoga Burn program or visit official Yoga Burn website. The Yoga Burn program also comes with a meal plan guide in a PDF document. This is an extremely convenient and valuable guide that helps make all of the exercises that you're doing worth it. Not only are all the recipes tasty, they're incredibly simple to make and buy ingredients for. The meal plan is flexible and is a great fit to any busy schedule. Zoe Bray-Cotton also includes her own cookbook with the Yoga Burn program. This is a great addition to the meal plans and gives you some healthy alternatives to spice up your diet. Just like with the meal plan, all of the recipes are simple and easy to make. The cookbook has over 60 recipes. This is a great added bonus. User experience. The Yoga Burn program gives you a top-notch user experience. The videos are delivered in an engaging way that shows you the program's creator cares about your experience. Because of the energy and vibe of the videos, you'll also find them easy and pleasant to follow. You'll have to repeat the videos in each phase as you make your way through the program, so it's great that they're delivered in a way that doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. The meal plan guide and cookbook also really add value to your experience with the Yoga Burn program. When you combine the exercises with following the meal plans, you'll feel inspired knowing that you're doing all you can for your mind and body. The meal plans are incredibly easy to follow and make the results from each phase of Yoga Burn more noticeable. What stands out? The versatility of the Yoga Burn cookbook really stands out. You don't have to worry about breaking your diet while entertaining people or if you have to bring food somewhere. The cookbook has all sorts of options for quick meals, lunches, and even appetizers for when you have guests. Another thing that stands out about the Yoga Burn program is how easy it makes yoga for newcomers. You don't have to worry about not having any experience with yoga. The way the videos are shot and explained make it extremely easy for you to get into the flow of things. Once you master the first 2 phases of the program, you should be able to quickly adapt to any new yoga